We will start by embroidering a row of vertical stitches. The stitches should have different lengths, so they don't look repetitive. Bring the needle up at the bottom left corner of the shape and bring the needle down, making the first vertical stitch. Make the second stitch in the row right next to the first stitch and make it a different length. I usually make stitches in the 2 to 6 mm range. Keep the stitches parallel to each other. Continue filling the row with vertical stitches, changing the length of each stitch. I like to use long and short stitch when I need to fill in a large area or the shape has a complicated outline and I cannot use satin stitch. As you can see, every stitch in the row has a different length and they look organic, which will make the complete shape look smooth. Let's move to the second row. We want to bring the needle up from the middle of the stitch below, splitting it in two. Bring the needle down, making a vertical stitch. Like with the first row, we want to change the length of each stitch. Don't bring the needle up in the same hole where the stitch in the lower row ended. Instead, bring the needle up in between the stitches or split the previous stitch. It will make the transition between rows look smooth. Continue filling in the second row with parallel stitches. Use the same technique for the last row of stitches. Similar to satin stitch, the fewer strands you use, the smoother the stitches will look. As you can see, the final shape looks pretty smooth and you can't really tell where the individual stitches are.